What are some of the latest innovations in the products service that you use? One of the one I use is the smartwatch. It marks my heart rate and the amount of oxygen in my blood. I also like Bluetooth headphones as it allows me to talk or listen to music without having the phone never in my hands. Which do you consider is the most useful and the most useless innovation in the last 10 years? And why? Choosing one is a bit difficult, but one in the most useful is the evolution of computing, since they have the function that if you tell to her she write, and in this way you can do two things at the same time.